This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In this video I'm going to show you how to do overpayments if you're lucky enough to have an owner that has paid you more than what they're owed. We're going to do it with this guy Don. You can see he's got an invoice here that's been sent out for $250. He's then paid that. Once he's paid it, you go into the Xero dashboard reconciliation area, find that payment here and do the normal matching process. Find the invoice that's overpaid, select that, and you'll see that it says here that the total's out by $50. Before, when it was an underpayment, we used to use this split function, but when we've been overpaid, we need to follow a slightly different process. And that starts here with the new transaction. Click receive money, select received as an overpayment, make sure you input who it was, the reference, and make sure you've got all of the right accounts and everything there, wherever you need it to go. Click save transaction. You can now see that the system has reconciled those two transactions. It all adds up. Now click reconcile, ignore that because it was a demo, and once done you can go back in and sync Xero. The system will sync, it'll bring that payment across. And you can see now that that's been fully brought across as a $50 credit. So next time that an invoice goes out to Don, there'll be an opening balance that is $50 credit, so it'll take off $50 from his next bill. If you've got any questions around overpayments, please don't hesitate to shoot us an email to support@prism.horse.